Hi guys, welcome back to Florida Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how I made these super cute porcupine quill earrings. Let's go. Okay, so today I am going to make some earrings out of these super cool porcupine quills that I have. I'll be doing a few different jewelry designs, I think, here for a little while just because it's kind of my new obsession. So I also have these snake vertebrae bones, which I think are really cool. If this is too macabre for you, obviously don't do it, but I just thought it was gonna be kind of a fun thing to do some living jewelry, like made out of you know, real living, once living things. And everything I have has been humanely sourced. So first thing I'm gonna do is find some porcupine quills that kind of look the same. Okay, I think these two look pretty good. And then I have these end caps that are just coiled wire, so I can cut them to size because obviously that hole is way bigger than the diameter of the porcupine quill. So we need to kind of get these secured in there, and I think what I'm gonna do, this is gonna be kind of my practice run, but I'm gonna snip off this kind of wonky end because it's gonna be hidden anyway. So we're gonna snip like this. Hopefully I don't ruin it. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so do the same on this side. Okay. Then I need to get some of my pins. So there are two different kinds of pins. One has an eye hook at the end and one is flat at the end. I'm going to use the one with the loop at the end to make it easier to attach to my earring hook. I'm not sure what this is called. All these findings have names and I forget them all the time. So the way I'm going to secure this pin into our porcupine quill is I'm going to drill down into this a little bit and then glue the pin into it so that it has just an eye sticking up like that. So this is going to be a little tricky because I have to get it in the end cap and put it down with the glue. So I'm going to cut this to size. So I'm going to kind of see where it kind of catches, and then I will just cut it with my dikes here. So I'm going to pull it like that, and so I can see it's kind of like right there, and I can always cut more. So we'll start off small. Okay. Let's check that. Perfect. It'll fit within there, and it still has kind of a pretty taper on it. Let's check this one. Okay. So now I need to make the other one the same. So I'm just kind of pulling it, and then I'll cut it, and then I'll trim as needed. Okay, so now it's time to drill, and I have this little, I guess it's called like a pin, yeah, pen drill. And so we're gonna drill out a core in our porcupine quill. So I'm just gonna try and find the center here. Oh, you know what? I don't even think I need the drill. Yep, this is pushing right in. So perfect. The drill is gonna be a little tricky. The inside of this is kind of like, it feels like keratin, like fingernail material. So I'm gonna make a little hole and then I'll cut this down. We don't need the whole pin in there. So I'm kind of using this to pierce it. Okay, and then I'm gonna add kind of an end bead just so it looks more complete. So I'm gonna stick this on there, and that'll just kind of make it look a little more complete. So I do need to snip off just a smidge. And I should measure this, but I'm just gonna guess. Okay. And now I'm gonna dip my pin in E6000 glue. This stuff is super potent. So we'll coat it in our, coat it in our glue and get it down in there. Wipe off the excess and let it dry. Oh, it turned out so cute. Okay, let's do the other one. So same thing. All right, so end bead, snip off a little bit, add our end cap, coat with glue, and guide it back in. And we'll wipe off excess glue. Oh, they look so pretty. I love that. All right, now we need to get some jump rings. All right, so we're gonna open up our jump ring with some pliers. So you just twist it carefully. We're gonna add our charm and our earring, and then we're just gonna twist it right back into place and squeeze it tight. And there we have it, you guys. That was so fun. I'm gonna definitely make some more of these. I'll probably switch up kind of the design on some just because I think it's, you know, gonna be a fun little project for me. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.